is Claire for Blockchain of Things. This tutorial will teach you about the List Asset Holders node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The List Asset Holders node on Catenis Flow allows you to view a list of all asset holders for any given asset. It returns any device which owns a non-zero amount of the asset ID you are looking up. The List Asset Holders node's Properties panel contains the standard name field where you can name the node and the connection field, where you can set your previously configured Catenis virtual device connection or configure a new virtual device. Enter the asset ID of the asset you wish to view the asset holders for into the Asset ID field. This field is required. If desired, enter a limit to the maximum number of asset holders you wish to be returned in the limit field. If you wish, enter a number into the skip field to skip listing a set amount of asset holders, starting from the top. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node Red hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the Import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the List Asset Holders node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. Before you can use the example JSON object, you will need to replace the example asset ID with your own asset ID. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own. Awesome! After watching this tutorial, you should understand List Asset Holders nodes. Now, you're ready to learn how to use the List Asset Holders node in your own flow. In the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch.